Hello friends, good morning. I Dr. Tripti Vijayvargiya welcomes you all the students on behalf of Guru KPO. Today I am delivering the lecture on challenges ahead in induction training program. In other words, we can call induction training program as ITP. First of all, we have to understand what is the induction. The induction is the process whereby human resources adjust or adapt their jobs and working environment. As we know, every organization want retain their men and people or workforce. For that, they are doing effort and this process ITP is the one of them. In the ITP, every organization tries to maintain their people for the long time, and this is the exercise which is done by the recruitment process. It provides all the information that they need. After the recruitment process, the new people are in touch in new organization and they want something, new techniques, new policies of that organization. After that, they can easy with the working of that organization. So this is the process that can be provide all the needy information to all the new employees. As our topic says, some challenges ahead in ITP. Let's discuss what they are. I discuss some prominent challenges. The first of thing, 17% people leave their jobs per year. This is the simple data. That means every one of the 6 person leave their jobs per year. Why it is so? There are various reasons for this decision. This decision. This is the general fact and this is applicable for all the organization average formula. And the second one is new employees underestimate the ITP. As we know, the people are full of new techniques, but every organization has their own policies and exercises. When new employees comes with the new knowledge and new techniques, and if he or she underestimates the ITP programs, then there arises many hurdles in the success of induction training program. This is the one of the challenge for the organization. How can they deal with that type of people? So this is the next challenge, that every new employee underestimates the ITP. When the employee is easy with the ITP, then there is no issue with the success of ITP, because the success of the ITP is the next step for the exercising of work. And one of the next challenges, lack of qualitative attitude. Every people has ego and every people has overestimation of her or himself. If they have qualitative attitude, it is good, but if they have lack of qualitative attitude, this is the problem for that organization in which they are in. When they have lack of qualitative attitude, the organization faces the in combination with the work of their efficiency. So these are the some challenges which face the every organization in ITP programs. If the organization wants the success of ITP, it is suggested by me that there are some reasons for all the challenges behind this and there are some suggestions. I will talk some reasons behind this and suggestion for success of ITP in my next lecture. If you want to listen my next suggestions, just go to my next lecture. Thank you for listening me. Thank you and thank you.